Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will share my solution that will help you to deal with clogged skin pores. Pores are also the openings of hair follicles. Even though pores are important, some people dislike their appearance, especially on areas of the body where they appear more noticeable, like on the nose and forehead. Here I will share natural DIY remedy that will deep cleanse your pores and will also help you to shrink their size. Let's start. Take bowl, add 2 tablespoons of raw milk and 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Mix well. Mixture should be like this. Before going to apply this mixture on your face, you must clean well your face and take hot water and dip cotton towel. After that, steam your face like this. This will help to open up your pores. Now your skin is ready for application. Apply layer of this coffee milk mixture all over your face and wait for 10 minutes. After that, wash it off with normal water. Coffee is rich in antioxidants that will reverse damage in your skin caused by free radicals. And milk is rich in lactic acid, so it will remove dead skin cells that are deposited in your pore. Do this coffee milk treatment twice a week for best results. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. See you soon with next video. Take care and bye.